Year 8. In this video I'm going to try and help you understand inequalities on number lines. So first of all you need to understand the meaning of those inequality symbols. So just as a reminder, that one means something that side is less than the thing this side, and a lot of you, I think, at primary school learnt it as thinking that it's like a crocodile mouth and the crocodile eats the bigger thing. So that means is less than. This is less than whatever is on the right hand side. So that means less than. And the other one, of course, then must mean is greater than. And just as a reminder, you could also have one where you've got a line underneath it as well. So this one means less or equal. So it's less than or equal. And of course, that one therefore means greater or equal. So that's what they mean. And just check you can see that all right. Now, how they are written in the exercise that you're going to do is, first of all, you can have a letter X. Now, X usually stands for an unknown number, which it does in the exercise that you're about to do. So if you see X and then this symbol, 4, for example, if we read that, it reads as X is less than 4. So what does that mean? Well, it means this mystery number here, X, is any number that is smaller or less than 4. So what numbers could X be? Well, X could be 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, and so on. It could be any number that is smaller than 4. So the easiest way of representing that is to show a number line. And on the sheet that you've got, it's already got some of the number lines drawn. But I'm just going to quickly do a rough one here. So I'm going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take it up a little bit higher, in fact. I'll go up to 5. And then that will be negative, negative 1, negative 2. So X is less than 4, so it can take any of these numbers here. And it can't quite take 4, but it can take 3.9, 3.99. So the way I'm going to illustrate that is by putting a circle at the 4, then an arrow going to the left of the 4, and that shows me that this mystery number X is represented by this line, and it could take any value as long as it's not more than 4. The open circle here shows that it can't actually be equal to 4. Okay, so how would I show X is less than or equal to 2? Well, for that one, I would have to draw my circle at 2, and X can be any number less than 2. So my arrow goes to the left there. But this time, to show the fact that it's also could be equal to, I do a filled in circle. Okay, so this one means it can't actually be equal to 4, and you use it when there's not a double line. This one means it could also be equal to 2, so you show a double line there, and that's where the filled in circle happens. So let's just take a look at then, checking you understand. X is greater than or equal to 1. So this time you would probably have a new number line, but I'm just going to draw it below. Here's the 1, so X can take any number greater than or equal to 1. So X could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number to the right this time. So I'm going to draw my circle at the 1, and this time my arrow goes to the right because X can take any value going up to 5 and beyond, of course. And because it's an equal to as well, I'm going to fill in that circle. Okay? So that is X is greater than or equal to 1. Now I want to show you a second example where this time I've got two inequality symbols, and you might see something like this. You might see 1, and then the first inequality symbol, then the x, second inequality symbol, and then another number. So I'm going to say that. So let's read it. It's 1 is less than x, but x itself is also less than 5. So in other words, x is between 1 and 5. Now on this one you can see that I haven't got the underlined, second underlined there, so it's not equal to as well. So if x can be any number between 1 and 5, I draw that by, instead of having an arrow, I just have a line with circles at both ends to show that x can be any number between 1 and 5. And because I haven't got the equal to as well, they're not filled in. They are hollow circles to show it doesn't actually include the 1 and it doesn't include the 5. Let's just do another one. So this time I'm going to do -1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 3. So I haven't got the same symbol either side. So really, again, it means x is between -1 and 3. So I'm going to draw my line starting at -1, going up to 3. Now, can you think carefully which end is going to be a filled-in circle and which is going to stay hollow? Well, you should be able to see that this includes the -1 because it's equal to as well, so I need to fill in that one there. Okay? Now I'm just going to do one where I'm going to draw the thing here and see if you can work out what the expression that it represents is. So I've got one here. Now, if I was trying to write it like that, you can see it goes from 0, goes up to 4. So I know that x is between 0 and 4, so I'll just put the numbers in. 0, x, and 4. Well, my 0 is less than all of the numbers, so that's going to be a less than. And it's not filled in, so I don't put the double symbol at the bottom. Whereas the 4 that it goes up to, 4 is bigger than, or x is less than 4, but it does equal to it, it's filled in, so it includes the equality as well. So this is represented by that. Now I hope that is enough to get you started on the worksheet. Hopefully you'll be able to do it now.